Hey everyone, this is just some footage of my trip to Florence, Oregon, a beautiful little town about an hour to maybe an hour and 20 minutes from Eugene, Oregon. It's right on the Pacific coast. The cool thing about this area is you can hop right on the highway, stop in Florence, and hop right down the street to another cool little beach town. I really enjoy this town. I've been here about 2 or 3 different times, and it's very peaceful, beautiful, cool little shops. Of course, the ocean. The downtown is very walkable, or I should say, the old downtown. There are other places you could go also in this area too, depending on the time of the year and the day. It can be really busy, but I found if you get here early, it's not as busy. I stayed all day, so out in the afternoon, of course, it was pretty packed with people. Well, fairly packed, but in the morning it was still quiet, and it was a gorgeous sunny day. Anyway, if you're ever in this area, go check out this town and some of the other seaside cities and towns in Oregon, because they're beautiful. Tons of stuff to do. People were really friendly. I asked for some information from different shopkeepers, and they were gladly gave me the information I needed and recommendations. And also the stuff I did buy, like touristy stuff, I didn't spend an arm and a leg for, so there's that too. Anyway, enjoy the footage, and once again, thanks everyone for watching my videos, and have a good day. I want to apologize for the wind noise in the video. It was a fairly windy day. I didn't realize how much it had picked up in the video. As I was saying, these neighborhoods are, I put in the title, I love these neighborhoods. These houses are so cute. Just seems so peaceful. I'm sure when there's storms and stuff, it's not as peaceful, but this area is so beautiful. I love the little town atmosphere. These houses and their proximity to the ocean, and honestly, it's just really cool. You talk about, a dog and 2 kids and a picket fence. Well, I found a few houses that I guess would meet that criteria, and they were awesome little houses. bus stop. Apartments down right in downtown, or maybe this is a little downtown, the touristy area. So as I said earlier in the video, I recommend getting down here early and checking it out before the tourists, of course, we're probably all tourists, all get here. So you're able to enjoy just walking around peacefully and then stay the day, eat, and then do all the other touristy stuff there is to do, all the shops, but you can walk around, hang out, you know. And even with all the tourists here, I never felt like overwhelmed, like, you know, like a large city. Sometimes you can feel like that. And if you walk off the beaten path, some of the side streets, and just walk around where, because most people are going to go where all the shops are, but some of the side streets, check out some of the architecture of the houses, and like I showed, the little Pioneer Museum and different stuff off the beaten path. Now that stuff's pretty cool, and I still recommend this place, even though this is my third time here. I like this little town, everyone. I think it's really cool. Thank you for watching. All right, I'm gonna end this video right here. Florence is a real cool town. I brought my electric XP out here and rode it for a little bit, but honestly, I came here to eat and just hang out downtown, get a couple of souvenirs. Not too many, because I got a long time here. I mean, in this area, or in Pacific Northwest anyway. So I didn't want to like get a bunch of souvenirs. So just real basic stuff, small things like bumper sticker or something.
But anyway, you ever get a chance, come out to Florence, man. It's really cute. And if you come to Florence, there's so many other, I think Coos Bay is like 40, 50 miles away. That's like the largest beach town in Oregon. I want to say there's like 30,000. It seemed really large because they're usually not that large. They got one downtown and that's it, but Coos Bay is pretty big. So anyway, I'm going to recommend Florence to you guys. Whatever, there's a lot of them I could recommend. Hope you like my footage. I tried to get as much as I could, get a little bit of the neighborhoods, because it's got so many little cute little houses down here, man. You know, it's a pretty cool place. Food is, of course, good. It's right next to the ocean, so guess what? It's fresh food. Anyway, y'all, thanks for watching my videos. And see, it's kind of a mess back there. I'm gonna have to clean that bike off. I'll wait tomorrow and do it when I get out of the hotel I'm in right now and decide where I'm going, which I'm about to go back, start heading back that way and start figuring out what my next place is I'm going to go to. So anyway, everyone, have a good day. Thank you.